Letters, listen up. We really need to impress Mr. Websley. So, I'm thinking of creating an incredible beginning for the presentation. Okay, first I need to build a big set with a slide.
Leap, we really don't have time for any changes.
Oh, okay. Well then, let's take it from the top with A, B, C, and D. And action!
The A says A.
The B says B.
The C says K.
And the D says D.
And here's where we use my remote control spotlights. Okay, so maybe we don't use the spotlights.
Here is where we double-check each letter to make sure it looks and sounds absolutely perfect.
The E says E.
The F says
The G says G.
And the birthday says
And this is why we double-check each and every letter. I need a new letter H at checkpoint 3, please. Letter H at checkpoint 3. That's the letter H we know and love.
Okay, letters, we'll do 2 spins to the right, then letter I, you do an inverted pirouette. Letter J, a jump split. Letter K, a kick turn. And letter L, a lunge. Here we go.
They're the world's best letters, not the world's best dancers. Let's hear it.
The I says I.
The J says J.
The K says K.
And the L says O.
They sound great, but Leap, we better hurry with the rest of the letters. Dad's tour is almost over.
Listen, everybody. The M says
The N says mm,
The O says ah.
And the P says P.
Okay, we're agreed that a big special effects smoke machine is probably not the best idea.
We better do a roll call to make sure all the letters are here. I'll start with Q, R, S, and T. Letters, please make your appropriate sound.
The Q says qua. The R says
The S says S.
And the T says T.
I also want to hear from E, F, G, H.
And I?
Not
I the letter, but I, like in Dad telling us to keep an eye on Tad. We've searched A through X and no sign of Tad yet.
That leaves the Y and Z rooms. We better hurry or Dad will...
And it is this strict training that makes our letters remarkably dependable.
Uh-oh.
And a bunch of other letters. Dad is almost done giving the tour to Mr. Websley.
Each letter outstanding at knowing its own sound.
The U says
The V says V.
The W says W.
The X says X.
The Y says Y.
and the Z says